hands, arms, feet, legs inside the boat at all times. Parents supervise your children. Children, listen to what your parents have to say. They are in charge, except for the next 3 months, then I'm in charge. Now wave goodbye to everyone on that dock. Bye! Have fun waiting in line, everyone. We'll see you in 3 months. No, I'm kidding, guys. You're never going to see them again. Yeah. Now, everyone, welcome to the Jungle Cruise. Woo! Alright, my name is Skipper Cadence, and for the next 3 months, make sure we're fully seated, please. Thank you. For the next 3 months, I'll be your tour guide, your hippo wrestler, your hippo tamer, your dance instructor, your swimming instructor, your yoga. Wait, did I already say that one? I think I did. Okay. Anyway, long story short, if you guys don't laugh at my jokes, your swimming instructor. Yeah, raise your hand if you guys know how to swim. Awesome, me too. Raise your hand if you don't know how to swim. Awesome, me too. Okay, well, if you don't know how to swim and you accidentally grab onto someone who also doesn't know how to swim, best of luck to you both. Now, this is the Amazon rainforest, and right here is the Inspiration Rock Formation, so I need everyone to say, ooh. Everybody say, ah. Wow, that was inspirational. You know what? It inspired me to head straight onto the Congo River. So let's see how far this boat can get. Yeah, it's not that far by the sound of that engine. Now, just up ahead is boats and baits and bites. You can rent a paddle here, regular or deluxe. It's really either or. Yeah, but guys, I don't see anyone there. Canoe. Canoe, get it? Those are canoes, and I said it 3 times because there's 3 of them. Yeah, you can also grab a bite to eat here. Piranha, for example, just eat it before it eats you. Now, they do offer something called a snake surprise, but I don't really know what that means. I've never seen them offering snake there. And oh my gosh, wow, there's a snake right there. Okay, so then what's the surprise? That's weird. Anyway, oh my gosh. Okay, sorry guys, that must be the surprise. Surprise, you're in Banana County. Alright, well this is Banana County, like I said. Please, while we're here, do not make any noises like a banana. It rhymes an ape, and they find it quite appealing. Now, oh no, would you look at what they did to my car? They painted it blue. You know what, at least they got the engine to turn over. Now I'm bored of that place, so we're down to the Nile River. You know, this is the river. Make sure we are fully seated, please. Thank you. Alright guys, this is the Nile River. This is the river that will go on for miles and miles and miles and miles. But if you guys don't believe me, then you are in a boat. And a boat. Right there's an African elephant. There's only one African elephant in the entire jungle. Fun fact about elephants, they have the best memory out of all the animals in the jungle. Yeah. Oh my gosh, guys, right there it's an African elephant. Okay, did you know there's only one African elephant in the entire jungle? My friends, fully seated please. No musical chairs. I do not hear any music. Alright guys, this is the African veldt, and we have bearded horses, long-necked horses, pointed-eared horses. Oh, and then we have vintage horses. We know those ones are vintage because they're in black and white. And oh, isn't that so nice? Private Ryan's is watching over that sleeping vintage horse. You know, I bet he's just dead. Oh, tired. Dead tired, so we should let him rest in peace. Says, now if you guys look just up ahead, you will see the most amazing sight ever. Oh my gosh, guys, I cannot believe it. There must be at least 1 million rocks on that beach. Now, if there happen to be some people on a pole, no, there's not. That's a lot of legal paperwork that I just don't want to fill out. So there's a lot of rocks over there. But that rhino, I mean, that's pretty cool. Now this is Crocodile Country, and we're joined by Smiley and Ginger. Oh no! Smiley, his middle name is Danger, and watch out for Ginger. She loves to snap. She may be smaller, but she is just one tough cookie. Now, if you guys look just behind me, you will see our very special guest. Everyone join me in welcoming to the Jungle Cruise. The one, the only, everyone is Olaf! Woo! No! Olaf! What happened to you? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so sorry. I had no idea he'd be like that. I guess he really let himself go. Yeah, now I would tell a corny plane joke, but you know guys, I just don't think it would land. Yeah. Anyway, let's head on to a dangerous hippopotami bathing pool. Now, I don't exactly know how to scare off these dangerous hippopotami because They keep telling me to sing their favorite song, but I don't know what their favorite song is, so I just sing whatever song I'm thinking of at that time, and it doesn't really work. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try to scare them off like I did my exes. That might work. I love you! Meet my parents! Yeah! They will never be seen again. Trust me, I would know. Now, just up ahead, it looks like these guys got their boat for half off, which I might say is a steal. Okay, guys, I paid full price for this boat and I don't even work here. Now, guys, those are not monkeys, those are actually apes. Yeah, you guys know the difference between monkeys and apes? Well, one can drive them, but the other can't, obviously. Now, right over here, we have some more apes, and these ones are enjoying a little snack. They're eating what I like to call bread and butter. Flies. You know, butterflies. Yeah, guys, they're just really not what they used to be. Caterpillars. Yeah. And now, it is time for what you have all been waiting for. It's the wonderful, the amazing, it's the eighth wonder of the world. Everyone is the backside of water! O2H, 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 O2H. Yeah, thank you, guys. That was a chemistry joke. I tell them periodically. Yeah, they tend to get a pretty good reaction. Now this is the Mekong River, and just up ahead is a really scary looking temple. Okay, well, I have personally never made it this far before because I've crashed every single boat I have ever driven, so I'm really scared. I'm gonna close my eyes. You guys are gonna keep yours open though.
It's alright, it's just a little dark. No spooky.
Pictures that you want. They do all have their trunks on. Yeah. Now while we're here, I'm going to tell you guys a fun fact about elephants. Did you know that elephants have the best memory out of all of the animals in the jungle? You know, I would try to remember like an elephant. That really helped me with my job. Now guys, I am very excited to announce our time together. It's going to goose. Sorry, got you guys. Anyway, I'm sad to announce our time together. It's coming to an end, and you all will soon have to make the dangerous trek back to civilization. But don't worry, because it's all uphill from here. Yes, you are at the bottom of the hill. You do have to go up the hill to leave. Now, just up ahead is our gift shop, and oh, that's interesting. It looks like up there are two monkeys in a boxing match. Don't worry, I'll make sure they keep it brief. And they are not in charge. No, the elephant is. Yeah, fun fact, elephants, they have the best memory out of all of the animals in the jungle. I was trying to remember like an elephant. Really helped me with my job. Yeah. Now, I'm going to point out my favorite plants for you guys, alright? My favorite one was the green one. Yeah. I can name them too. I'll name them. Like, that one's a hibiscus. That one over there is a lobiscus. Oh, that one touching the water right there, that's a seabiscus. And then the one behind you, you may not be able to see it. That's none hibiscus. Yeah. Alright. Well, do we have any birthdays on board today? Any birthdays? No birthdays, just me. Okay, good to know, good to know. Alright.
Celebrating another day of living.
Oh, congratulations. Yes, that is a great thing to celebrate. Where are you guys from?
Melbourne.
Melbourne. Me too! What? That's awesome! Okay, where are you guys from? Brazil. Me too! Wow, guys, I cannot believe we're all from the same exact place. Actually, I have no idea where I'm from. I just kind of woke up one day and I was here at the jungle. Yeah, that's how most of us are. Yeah. Alright, let's see. How old are you, Princess?
Elliot.
How old are you? You're 7. Wow. Did you know when I was 7 I was your age? Crazy. I know. I don't believe it either. Alright guys, well I do not know if we're able to head up to that dock just yet. We may be able to. I don't know though. Alright guys, well as you head to dock, make sure to remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, legs inside the boat at all times. Parents, supervise your children. Children, listening to your parents. Alright guys, so you know, out of all of my boats today, you guys have definitely been the most recent, so thank you for that. That really means a lot. Now, you have also been outstanding. Just please, once this boat comes to its full and complete stop, I will need you guys to be out standing on that dock. So please, get out. Oh, standing.
Yeah,